Foods that target parasite destruction and elimination. Let's break down the science. Understand that getting rid of parasites doesn't happen all at once, it happens in phases. Physiologically, it all starts with identification and destruction, then it moves on to elimination. What you have to remember is elimination can happen differently depending on the type of parasite. It could either happen through bowel movement, urine, bile, or even mucus. First, your body needs to recognize that you're not the parasite. This is why your immune cells use pattern recognition receptors to detect unusual proteins and molecules that don't belong in your body. Once detected, it triggers something called cytokines that alert the immune system that something foreign has entered the environment. It's basically like motion detectors setting off an alarm system. So to support the first step in immune detection, you want sulfur-rich foods like onions for that immune signaling and mushrooms for the beta-glucans. Now, once the body recognizes the parasite, IgE activation happens. IgE is an antibody that your body produces that basically acts like a tagging system. It's what's binding to the parasite and showing immune cells where to attack. Now, to support IgE activation, you want foods rich in zinc like pumpkin seeds and mineral-rich hemp seeds for that antibody production. Now we get into the destruction phase. For the smaller parasites, your macrophages handle them by digesting and swallowing them from the inside. Whereas the bigger parasites need that extra support. That's where the eosinophils come in. They're the white blood cells that attach to the surface of the parasite and release toxic proteins that destroy them. Foods that support these destruction processes are the papaya seeds for the benzyl isothiocyanate and your cloves and black walnuts for the potent plant compounds and polyphenols. But destruction is not where it ends. The body still needs to eliminate the parasites and remove waste out of the system. So for proper elimination, supporting bowel movements, bowel flow, and detox pathways matter. For this, you want tamarinds for that sticky soluble fiber so you can move the waste out, dandelion greens to support bile secretion, watermelons for the kidney filtration, coconut water for that fluid balance and elimination. This is me simplifying and making it easy for everyone to understand. Healing starts with knowledge. Heal with me.